Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. You have to start by open SHOKZ application, because firstly we need to check if you have the latest software version. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the app and then go to the settings at the right top. Then click at the settings, and at the third line we have upgrade firmware. Firmware version is the same as software, so you click on it, and if you see at the bottom button install, tap at this button and you will update your software version. Next step is to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music, just remove this application from the cache, then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Google Play and check if you have the last version for your audio player and update if you haven't. Now, if both of these methods didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to turn off these headphones. So at the bottom of the right headphone we have power button. We need to press and hold this button until you will see that red LED light. We just turn off them. Now we need to enter to pairing mode, right? So press and hold power button again until you will see the LED light blinking blue and red. Here we go, we just entered to pairing mode. After that you need to press and hold volume down, volume up and multifunctional button at your left headphone simultaneously until you will see that the LED light turn off and you will hear also a sound. Oh, okay, again. Press and hold. Here we go. Now you can release your fingers, and then we need to reconnect these headphones with your phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top if you have this button, because not all Android phones have it. If you haven't, recommended to do like on iOS, just turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return, but on iOS 26 right now it doesn't work, only turn off and turn on. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we should see them at the device list. I guess I need to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth again. Yeah, and then tap at your headphones at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!